Hindi ko alam bakit kinikit-kit niya to na it's irritating. Tapos ayoko naman na nahawakan. I don't wanna touch it because it really looks like uncomfortable for him and he doesn't want me to touch it. But I don't know why he keeps licking it, but also, I know there's something wrong with that leg. The back leg ni Pogi. Right side. I wash it though, because I thought maybe there's something in there. So we went earlier walking in the park. I don't know what's wrong. Ayaw niya ipatouch. See? It's really uncomfortable. I don't know, Pogi, but I hope you will be fine. I hope so. Wawa naman tong Pogi. Oh, Pogs. Pinipet ko siya. I don't know what happened to you, Pogs. Ngayon niya see, naangat niya. Oh, Pogi. Wawa naman ka, Pogs, oy.